Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, are the MSI laptops good for gaming? So the answer to the question is actually depends, because it depends most on the what games are you going to play, because if you're going to play Elden Ring, then no. If you're going to play League of Legends, yes. And you can, I would recommend you to do your own research, because the PC specs differ between the models. And as you can see, I'm on the MSI Stealth 15M, and if you go to settings and go to system tab and scroll down to about, we can estimate if our game will run on this computer. As you can see, we have the 11th generation Intel i7, we have the 16 gigabytes of RAM, and we have the GTX 1660 Ti, I would believe, or Super Ti, as you can see. So do your own research, find out if your PC, if your laptop, sorry, matches the recommended requirements. And like I said, most of laptops will be good for some competitive games like League of Legends, CS2, Rainbow Six Siege, games like that. But if you want to play some heavier games like Elden Ring or Cyberpunk, unfortunately, it won't be the first choice. So just do your own research. I'll recommend you to use the Can You Run website, because it will automatically tell you if you should buy the game or not, and it's a pretty neat tool in my opinion. So I believe we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.